Welcome to Smart Kid Learning. Today's lesson is about simple past tense. In this lesson, we will discuss about the when it's used, how it's formed, tenses structure, formula, form of verb. Simple past tense is used to describe habits, actions in the past, general truths, past facts. In positive tense, we use subject plus second form of verb plus object. In negative form, we use subject plus didn't plus first form of verb plus object. In interrogative sentence, we use did plus subject plus verb plus object. Time words for simple past tense: yesterday, last night, a week ago, last year, long ago. For example, he played. He didn't play. Did he play? She visited the museum. She didn't visit the museum. Did she visit the museum? In this example, she indicates the subject. Visited is the second form of verb. Museum is the object. Simple past tense is used for routines. She always watched that show. She cleaned her room yesterday. He ate a sandwich for lunch. She danced all night. I went to the grocery store yesterday. We can use it for single period of time expression. My father talked on the phone for 5 minutes. She chose to stay with her mother all day. I saw a ghost last Friday. We can use these tenses for the actions in the past. I visited my grandmother, stayed for 1 to 2 hours. Jim studied German and politics for 5 years. Let's practice. Look at the sentence and say or write simple past sentence. For example, he went for a run in the park. Now you try. She took a nap in the afternoon. They watched a movie on Netflix last night. They listened to music while driving. I did my laundry last night. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.